what?
What?
Okay.
Okay.
This is the cup and this is the watchtower. And this a toothpick to stable.
What is this tower?
A police outpost.
Oh, you put there, police outpost. Write the name on the bond paper, okay? And after
I
you put
can.
police outpost,
This,
you will...
the bridge is here.
Oh,
And it's also with toothpicks.
Oh, very good. Oh, you write police outpost and...
Here's the toothpicks.
Very good, very creative. Jacob, write the name.
And I can make barbecue.
And take a picture, okay?
Okay. I make barbecue.
Next to Irvine. Irvine, how's your work?
Get a paper and write today's